In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Discord password. We'll do this on a desktop or in a web browser, and the whole process only takes a couple of minutes. Start by opening your browser and going directly to discord.com/login. Typing the address yourself helps you avoid any misleading links and keeps your account safe. Once the login page loads, look just below the fields where you would normally enter your email and password and click on Forgot Your Password. A small prompt will appear asking for the email address associated with your account. Carefully type the exact email you use for Discord. It's easy to mistype, so take a second to double check for extra spaces or swapped letters. If you use multiple inboxes, make sure you pick the one you actually registered with. Next, head over to your email and look for a message from Discord. It usually arrives within a minute, but give it a little time. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder and any filtered tabs like promotions. You can also search your inbox for Discord to pull it up quickly. When you open the message, confirm it's really from Discord before interacting with any links. Inside that email, click Reset Password. The link will open a secure page in your browser. Keep in mind, these links can expire for security reasons. If it says the link is no longer valid, simply repeat the same steps from the login page to get a fresh one. Now you'll be prompted to create a new strong password. Choose something long and unique. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Avoid anything that includes personal details or repeats a password you use elsewhere. A good password is memorable to you but hard for others to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a strong one so you won't have to remember it. After you enter the new password, confirm it exactly the same way, then submit. That's it. Your old password is replaced and your new one is ready to use the next time you sign in. If the email never arrives, verify you entered the correct address on the reset page and that your inbox isn't blocking messages from Discord. And remember, only reset your password through discord.com/login and the official email to keep your account secure. Follow these steps, take your time with the details, and you'll recover your Discord password without any hassle.